Hi everybody, this is Pramita here, and today this is a video where I share the new kits that I have launched in my shop. These are all digitals, and I will be sharing, I have already listed these actually, and they are actually 3 kits. So the first kit that I will talk about is this one. This is just a collage kit which has 6 papers. Mostly in this vintagey floral kind of style. Actually, there's a backstory to this. I was playing around with my Photoshop skills and I made these papers, and then they turned out pretty nice, and so I decided to get them listed in my shop. So I have used different layers to make these, but they do not come with any ephemera. They are just collage papers, so you can use them in any way. Also, you can make journal cards and tags from them. I'll show you how you can make that in some next video of mine, so keep watching. And so this is the first page. This is in no particular order, but you get the 6 pages. They are in 3 zipped files. Each zip file has 2 papers, A4 papers. So here is the second one. I absolutely love how this turned out. I hope you can see it. There's these faint scripty sort of thing that I have layered, and I'm pretty happy with what I've done so far. And this is again one of the papers. So of late I have been playing around with Photoshop a little bit because I decided I should try my hand at it at least. Also, I've used resources from Graphics Fairy, so that's that. Graphics Fairy and Pixabay, I have used resources from there, and this is another one. So you get 6 sheets, and if you plan to use them in your journals, they can be used like this, like they can be made into traveler's size notebook, or if it doesn't bother you, then you can use them like this. You can simply fold them and they will be coming like this. So if it doesn't bother you, then it's okay, but some people do get bugged by this, so they might not use it in a bigger journal. Also, you can extend the page. If you have not seen any videos of those kind, then I'll probably do one how you can extend your pages to make a bigger journal page. So I'll show you how you can do that. So that's 2 things that I need to show, that how you can cut journal tags and pockets out of this, and also how you can extend the pages so that you can make bigger size journals. So this is another one, 3rd one, 4th one, the 5th one, and this is the 6th one. So here is the Floral Collage Kit Set 1. I will be coming out with a few more digitals like this, so that it is easy for you to use them in your collage backgrounds. And the next kit that I will be talking about is a Shabby French kit. It is called Shabby French also. It comes in 2 parts. This is the main kit, and the main kit has 10 papers. They are very muted and very shabby, very subtle and soothing, so you can use them in accordance to with other papers also. So you don't have to use them as a main journal page if you feel like that, but I think this is a very subtle summary kind of pages. So this is another one. So I've used resources from all over. As I said, I have also the membership, the Graphics Fairy premium membership. So I have used resources from Graphics Fairy also. So this is another one. Very rustic and very shabby, but still there is a grunge effect to it. I wanted to keep both. Grunge doesn't always have to be very dark. It can be very light and very happy sort of thing also. So this is another page. This is my favorite page, incidentally, and this is another one. So there are lots of options. You can just fold this into a notebook and you will have a journal page. This is another one. Another one. You can see it's very subtle and soft. Very soothing, very soothing. This is, I think perhaps this is the only kit that I have put together which is so soft and feminine. I really loved how this turned out. So this is the pages, and then we come to the ephemera part. So the ephemera has is an add-on, and it has 9 pages. So this is the pocket page. You have 2 pockets, 1 tag. Here you have 2 tabs, circles. These can be used as tabs also. If you just slice them, or if you print them on a cardstock, you can slice them. Otherwise, you can just fold them over and make them into tabs. Sorry, this is a mini label that I have given. And on this page you have 4 journal cards. So these 2 cards are a little bit smaller than these 2. So these 2 are of same size, and these are a little bit smaller. 1 single tag and small cigarette card sort of image. So you can add that anywhere you like to layer or collage. On this page you have 2 tags, and then you have 2 smaller tags and some labels. Okay. And then again another pocket page, you can say 2 pockets and 4 journal cards, and this page has this double journal card, but you can slice this up and make 2 separate cards if you so like. And these are some smaller ephemera that I have provided that you can add to your journals. It doesn't always have to be very matchy. You can go beyond that. That's just an option. So here, this is a page full of labels and some rose fussy cut. Not rose actually, this is like sort of a cabbage rose sort of thing, you can say. Some labels, some have words on them. So one has projects, the other one has lovely, and then reflections. So that's it. So there are 3 words attached to that. And here is another page. Okay, so this is actually, tell you what, this is actually an ephemera folio that I meant to show you. So you can fold this, and here is an add-on pocket. You can put the pocket in, and then you can put your some ephemera like this tiny postcard, and then this bird image. You can make this into a tuck spot also, and then add the smaller ephemera. This pocket fits into this perfectly. So I will do a process of that and show you how you can add the ephemera. And this is another page. This is of tag pocket. Now this is a tag. This can be a movable or floating tag pockets, you can say. So this is the front of the tag, and you have 2 matching pockets. One is a little bit bigger and one is a little bit shorter. So you can stack these up and make double pocket at the back of this tag, and then add these smaller tags and smaller ephemera, or maybe some fussy cut, so that the person who uses that can use whichever way they like. So there are lots of fussy cuts also in this journal add-on. So you have these flowers, and also these flowers, and also these. So there are lots of mini options. As I wanted this to be a supplementary kind of kit which will just add to your stash. You can build up your stash using some neutral papers like this. So I will be doing process of certain things that I've talked today, and hopefully you will see one tomorrow. So I'll post all the links in the description box below. Another thing I wanted to show is that since I was playing around with a lot of digitals, and I was working on some kits, so I had these leftovers from my previous kits. So what I did was I put them all together and I made this collage sheet. This is like a rip sheet, tear sheet sort of thing. So when I put this together, I thought, okay, so let me scan this and see how this goes. So when I scanned this, I'm going to walk you through the entire thing. This is one of my older kits, collage kits. Then this is a image that I had in my stash. This is a public domain image. So is this. This is from one of my kits, and this is a vintage ad that I had. This is some music paper, some transparent layering that I had done on Photoshop. So I've used little bits and pieces from here and there, and then I have created this. So somebody had wanted to see this, so I thought, okay, when I was talking about this, let me show them. So this is how I have put this together, and I decided to share this on my Facebook group. So if you are interested, you can join. But right now I'm having some sort of issues with the group, so you might not be able to get permission. I don't know, some issues with Facebook probably. I need to sort it out, and then probably we'll see how things go. So if you are already a member, probably I'm going to mail this to you. If I can't operate the group, so that's another option I have. But if you're interested, then you can message me. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so thank you everybody for watching this, and I'll post all the links below in the description box as usual. So keep watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everybody. Bye. Have a great day.